First photo, that's with some of our very supportive sweethearts. ASAP taping.
ASAP taping for Valentine's prom
Yes.
opening.
Grabe yung pinagdadaanan nila tuwing ASAP kasi sobrang aga nandun na sila nakapila sa labas para lang makita kami ng saglit na oras. Kaya we're very thankful and we really appreciate them.
Super grateful. Japan,
Oh,
last
yes!
year.
Red pa yung hair
2024,
ko.
red pa yung hair mo. Ariel.
Grabe yan. Hindi kami na-inform na
Sobrang-
wala ng snow ng araw na yun.
Sobrang
Naka-miniskirt pa ako.
Sobrang lamig pa. Tapos
Si ate mo ay naka-miniskirt, tapos nakasando lang ako. Ang galing-galing, di ba? Mga choices sa buhay. Sobrang perfect. Smile kami dyan, pero nafe-feel kong napipikon na si Katie.
hindi, napipikon din naman. Third anniversary.
Cola boy! It's Cola.
Cola.
Yung dog niya yan, actually. Dog niya yan na mahilig gumala. Out and about palagi si Cola. So he's very used to people, very used to the outdoors. At kung nakikita niyo, naka-necktie pa yan.
Yan, naka-necktie. Naka-4 siya.
Such a distinguished gentleman.
Our concert.
Ah,
Add to Heart.
yes! Oh my
Wow,
God.
that was great
One for the
experience.
books. One for the books.
One of our best experiences in our whole career.
And in our lives,
In our
honestly.
lives,
Kasi,
yeah.
I mean, not everyone can say na, oh yeah, I had a sold-out
I had a
concert.
sold-out concert.
Diba? So, again, it's all because of the fans.
Lahat ng gusto namin mangyari, nangyari.
Drop
it like it's
it.
Okay. Bingo Plus.
Love you. Mahal ang bilihin.
Sorry.
Wala akong maisip.
Oh,
Sandali. Wala akong maisip sa bon.
A few moments later.
Okay. Ball drop.
Okay.
Bet kita. Oh, ba't di ko sumabay?
Hindi. Pinaprocess ko pa yung word. Pero since sabi ko.
Wala, talo ka na.
Hindi naman ito competition eh.